So this program is for anyone who is working already with existing impact measurement tools and data in order to get more clear and get more value from impact measurement. It's also for those who are newer to working in impact measurement to be able to do it well and learn from some of the leaders. This program is unique because we combine a set of tools and approaches from a range of different sectors, and we ask a series of questions around why we measure, what we measure, and how we measure in a way that really allows them to go deeper of the questions of how to manage for impact, not just to measure it.
This program is needed because we've never been at a more crisis-driven time for our world. I think it's fair to say that accountancy and impact measurement issues are the plumbing by which the world operates. And if we can refigure them, then we can help address major issues.
What it manages to do is blend together or weave together what we already know, established ways of measuring impact, with newer ideas, newer practice that's emerging to learn about impact measurement really at the cutting edge of the field.
This program's great because you get exposed to some of the best sources of information around understanding impact that there is to offer. It's a big collective, differentiated cohort that really comes together in a very special way.
And it's the richness, I think, of those different perspectives that really enhances the level of our understanding of what impact measurement is and what it can be.
And it's a really very rich environment in terms of learning, energizing yourself for what comes next. And also you get, a network and a community for the rest of your life.
The interactions and the conversations are as valuable as the content that you will be getting throughout the theoretical part. And it's really about how do you work it through towards your application in your work that can come to life.
I've seen it evolve to cover more and more areas of impact management. So I don't think there's a comparable course that covers the full range of impact management, from those interested in ESG to those designing and deploying really involved impact measurement and management strategies.
Well, I joined the program because I consider myself an academic and also a practitioner, and I was looking for a program with a solid theory and also tools to go into the practice.
This program is unique because it has some of the leading practitioners in this space attending this. The quality of discussion is much greater than you can find anywhere else.
Looking around the room, the program really does an amazing job of bringing together all different fields who are working on impact measurement and management, from international development to big corporations to small companies.
Having all these different perspectives in one room, that's just special.
I'm really excited to take home some clear next steps, some clear ways that we can be better measuring our existing ways of impact, but also almost a little bit of a new framework that we can be deploying. So that I think is the biggest thing that I'm excited to take home.
It is a comprehensive and intensive training where you can learn from the best leaders and experienced leaders in the topic. Whatever your goal is, increasing your knowledge, improve your career opportunities, or expanding your network, you can achieve it attending the program.
I come from an emerging market where we have all the challenges that are headlines today. So it's very personal. It's a very personal mission for me. I came with a different set of expectations, and I'm leaving with so much more.